So hi guys, good day. So today we are going to design a happy birthday flyer using the PixelLab. So let me delete this. So we are going to use a background, a gradient color for the background. I've already created this. You actually know how to use your gradient color. So this is how the gradient color looks like. If you don't actually know how to use your gradient color, you can actually comment on the description menu and on the comment section so that I can actually make a video on that. So here we go. So I will actually create a shape here. Create a shape like this. Yep, just a simple shape. Let's see, this is the shape. I'll centralize it. Let me make it to the center, and then I will copy it again. I will decrease the size. I'll decrease the size and then tag it to what here. So let me just be like centralize it. Yeah, around it here. So I will change the color to be black. Yeah, this is perfect. But I need to increase the size of this. All right, let me just leave it like this, and then I'll go to here and then merge the two. After merging the two, I will go to erase color and then erase the black color. Yeah, here we go with this. Let me centralize it. So I will create a kind of shape here. Let me create a shape. I will move it to an invisible region. Then I will just add it to match it to. So here we go. Now let me go to my okay. Instead of that, I will just create a text, happy birthday. Yep. So for this, I will go to my font and then choose this font. You can actually see it here. I use this font here. So let me centralize its alignment, align it, and then I will increase the size. I'll make it to be uppercase letters. All right, let me just turn it like this. Yep. So let me move it to the back and go to there and then drag it to the back. So here we go with this. Here we go. I will actually start that. So I will go to my gallery and then import the image of the guy, Celebrant. So here is the image of the guy here. Here's it. I'll just crop it to this. Turn it like this, turn it like this, turn it like this. Yeah, here we go. So what I will do now is I will decrease the size. Yeah. Yep, this is good. I guess we are good with this. Let me copy it. Although it's looking somehow when I copied it, I will just copy it again. Yeah, so what I will do now is, since the one that is at the back is more clear, I will just do like this. I'll just move it to the back. Yeah, so let me just align them. So now what I will do is I will actually go to now what I will do is I will go to my let me drag this to the back of the shape that we created, and then what I will do is I will go to my marks. I will go to my marks and then enable the marks. Let me enable the marks and then drag it here, drag it like this. Yep. So you actually see the difference now. Yeah, you actually see the difference now. So what I will do now is I will go to the text. For the text color, I will just pick a color picker from his sheet. Yeah, from his sheet, and then let me just decrease it like this, and then boom, we are good to go with this. Let me just yeah, I can use this. So let me just kind of see whether we can increase the spacing. So this is perfect. I can increase the size like this. Yep. So now I'll go to gallery and then import the logo of the organization, wishing him a happy birthday. So I will just decrease the size like this. Yeah, put it here. Yeah, this is perfect. So let me write his name. Let's say Silas Namayari. Yep. So here we go. I will go to color and then change it to black. Then I will go to the font. So for the font, I will choose a font like this. Yeah, this italic. I'll choose it. Then I'll reduce the size. So for the alignment, I will make it this alignment. I choose this. Yeah. So now what remains is actually one thing, which is president. So let me just decrease the size. So for the color, I will just put this color. So what I will do is I will darken the color. Sorry, I will darken it. Yeah, so let me make it to be bold. Yeah, I think we are good to go with this. I think we are good to go. Yeah, let me reduce the size of this and then centralize it. Yeah, I think we are good to go with this. So I'll write the text, sorry, let's say 27th, July 27th. Let me see whether we can use the fonts we initially used, which is this italic. Just put it to this direction. So I will go to fading and then increase the fading size. Yeah, this is perfect. So what I will do now is I will go to gallery and then import this. No, I don't need this. I don't need this. Let me import the other one. Yeah. This is what I need. So I will just create something like this, make it like this. And what I will do is I will increase the size. Then I will, let me just use color filter to increase the intensity and the brightness. So let me make it to the back. Yep. So now what remains is I will go to my gallery and then import a background. Yeah, I will use this background. Let me increase the size of it. Yeah, and then what I'll do now is I'll turn it to the back. And then let me go to opacity and then decrease the opacity like this. So here we go with our design. Yeah, here we go with our design here. So thank you very much for your time. Here is the output we got from the design. Actually, let me just decrease this. And then, yep. So thank you for your time. If you find this to be very useful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel in order to get more updates on how to design using your smartphone. So if you like, you can actually go to Snapseed and then do your, let's see here, increase the brightness, highlights, let me increase the highlights, decrease the one like this. Let's say brightness. Let me see where that buff can be used. Yeah, you actually see how the tennis. So thank you very much for your time. Do have a great day. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.